this is my third event with EPP. I've been in Barcelona, I've been in Lisbon and Brussels, right? And all I can say is I'm still smiling. So there must be something good that I'm getting out of this. Personally, for me, I think the best thing about this event is the connection, the network. And really, like this time when I came in, we were hugging people. So it's almost like the family around it. Obviously, there is technology and everything behind the scene, but it's much more about the people. So thank you, EPP, for doing this.